I think a good word to describe Arch Medical Solutions would be expanding. We have a lot of potential, and I think that potential is already there. We have a lot of expansion to do. That's our current mindset right now, is expansion. My name is Beau Fairbrother, and I'm a prototype machinist at Arch Medical Solutions, and I get orders from customers and I make them. I've been here just over 7 months now. I think Arch has given me a cornerstone. I think they've given me a foundation to build on. The people around me definitely help a lot. The mentors here are really great, and I think that's something professionally that you can't find a lot of places. They offer the expertise to help with the projects that no one else knows how to do. And that's a big reason that I enjoy working here too, is because we have that capability. A big way that Arch impacted me was that it showed me that I can do things out of my comfort zone, and I can actually take a step in places I haven't really stepped before in machining, and it puts me in a better place at the end of it. You know, it's shown me that I can do that by myself. Obviously, I've had a lot of great help here, a lot of great mentors, but I think the big thing personally for me is that it showed me I can do more than what I'm comfortable with.